to get Poly AI to send pictures. So most of the time, the characters themselves or the chats you have don't actually send the pictures in normal chat, but there are some features and limited ways to get images. But again, it isn't the standard in chat image sending like other AI stuff, but again, the only way you could technically get images from the Poly AI app is basically through the generate character image visual thing, or the AI image generator section, which should be found directly over here and present regular. So basically here in the avatar description, this is the image prompt. And you're gonna have to put in your description and the image style. This way, whatever it will generate is based on what you chose. So just go ahead and choose whichever you want, the avatar description, of course, and press on generate. So technically, this is one of the only ways you could get pictures or images in Poly AI. It's basically still AI generation stuff, since in the actual conversations, there's no feature where the whoever you're talking to gives you an image. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.